Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Mom says she can't hear the quote. Yeah, I know it. I can hear it too. Oh, my mom, that's why she yelled my name. Ah! You heard it, right? Wait. When I point at, putting the wall plate, I'm not putting it right over there. I'm putting it with, yeah, I'll show you. Right there. The lake, a small pond over there. What? Come on a little bit. What up? What up there? There. Right there. See that I'm poking at? Right there. That's what I'm poking at. That. Damn, that's fucking loud, isn't it? Good thing I'm leaving here, haha. Another day in my life in sin. Okay, fucking hell. I don't care what, this is new. You know, what a TV show, what they know. I don't know what to watch it, because Croak happening at the same time. Hold on. Like, what the fuck? I can't catch it at the same time. They're not at the same time, you know. Oh, the moon! Oh, fuck. Got it a bee. Me. Never tried that though. Oh, but oh, bullshit, what the hell? Never try one more time. Damn, knockout, you scared me. There, my knockout, what there? Uh-oh. You throwing it with it, because it's over the frog cooking. Hey, it's all quiet. I try to make it more louder. Now it's stop going low. Hey, knockout. Knockout, look up. I love that dog. Now I got coming back. Huh? Whoa. Oh, God to God. See how fucking buckling something over there. Oh, could be the frog eyes jumping out? Well, I can't see it. Fuck. Well, yeah, I see the frog eye quicker over there, but I can't find it. It's just like, you know, I over there. Huh? My back. Oh, it's fucking died. I hate this window. Look at it. Hey. It won't stay up. Fucking loud, I can hear you. Look at it. Won't stay up. That's what I hate that you're the window. Boy, that was fucking loud out there. You know what? Let me try this to stop cooking when I live by. Look at go. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Whew. Oh, what am I shooting? Oh, it's not that. What? Boy, I can't wait. I can't wait to see what happens if it stop or not. Whew, boy. I can't wait. Hope we're not stuff like dog shit out there. We're gonna see a croaking around our house. Let's just check it out. I see you here if I'm here. I do it now. Wow. It gets fucking loud. Shit, it's fucking loud. You better not steal me, knockout. You better not. I'm almost there. Let's see if the dog can get a stop or not. Hope I not step on a dog shit over somewhere. Oh, knockout? Where are you? Boy. That other bed went, and my bed went right there. Let it go. Whoa. I get closer. There you are. I sit there, I'll wash it down. Holy fucking loud. Closer, closer. You're not going to stop. Well, what? Oh, it's a look at the pipe right there. What do you know? Stop. I'm trying to go back. Didn't work. Okay, sorry to bother you. I'm going. Bye. Enjoy the damn croaking. Oh, there, knockout right there. Knockout, come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, knockout. Are you fucking kidding me? They're croaking again. They're fucking croaking again. Right there. You okay, knockout? Dinky? There's a great dog over there. What over there? You see the gate right there. Well, actually, you can't see. Oh, what the fuck is it in? Oh, well, everything could have up over there. Shit! Like how you die. Fucking hell. Look at the quiet. I'm gonna move back. Look at that door. Okay, I'll do it over the table right there. They croak it again out of there now. Let's go back to the post. See what happened. Hoping I step on the door shit. Get loud. Get a little bit. Every time I walk, I get a little bit bad. I mean, loud. Sorry to say that. Wait a minute. I can't hear it. What I hear, it keeps becoming low. No, not right. What I hear, I'm looking at this. If I can't hear louder, what I heard, what I was. Again, low. That could have done that back then. What is the fucking time? Oh, that's another time. I can't remember the quote without Croak Loud. Oh, not working. Let's look at what the push. Let's stay out of there. We can wait. Hey, wait, knock out. Oh, he thought I'd climb up already down. Nope, good. Nope, there was no shit on it. I can hear a little bit. When I close by, when I go way by, when I go close, not to stop croaking. When I really too close, stop. It would be fun. Oh, boy. I'm talking about a heavy other. Come on, Knockout. What are you staying for? Come on, Knockout. Come on. Look at the Knockout. Look at it. Hey, Knockout. Look, whoa, whoa. Look at my camera. Look at my phone. Look. Okay. You fucking crazy. Everyone, whoa! Hey, get easy. Look at these. Whoa! Hey! On the phone. Hold up. Oh, stop! What you? Stop! Now! Good boy. Oh, very low. I got a 20% very low, so I bet. You okay? Are you fucking kidding me? You're fucking cloaking again. Hey. Stop wagging chair on me. Thank you. Anyway. Well, later, Knockout. Uh-oh. Damn it. Anyway. Oh, walking around. Whew. Damn, I tell you, man. I don't know why, but you're fucking awesome. Anyway, I'll see you later. Peace.